That means that when you put the parts inside of the frame, for example, right in here, you have to put the parts in such a way that this opening is covered. But also this one, there is still gap here. So you have to fit the parts in such a way that one of the pieces will be covering this opening like that. So it will be quite an interesting challenge to find the correct assembling of parts inside of the frame. This is the Galette puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Greg Puzzles. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. So first we will start with this piece. It is the longest piece. It won't be able to fit through this opening. It is too small, so you use this opening, but you are not going to leave the part right in here. What you have to do here is to rotate it like that and move all the way to the right and keep it right here in the top part. Then you grab this piece, put it inside. Again, you have to rotate it, move to the right and down. This piece will be covering this opening. Then you grab this square piece, put it inside and all the way to the right. Now we have to put this piece, move it to the left and up. And then the last part, it goes right in here. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, this opening is covered, this opening is covered. And that is the solution of this awesome Galette puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great designs from Asanori Yamamoto, go to puzzlemaster.ca.